Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Sair. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. Thank you so much for clicking on this particular video. And today I got to know that I'm going to the mall, doing a little bit of shopping, taking you guys around and all of that. So I am going to go get dressed. I have half an hour before I leave to the mall. So let's get ready and then head out to the mall. You guys, the other day also I had been to the mall, and so what happened was I'm just wearing my lenses. If you see me seeing down, wait, let me just wear these and then come back. I went to the mall and I was there with Ashwak. He had to get his bag serviced, and I just was tagging along. Has expired. Like I tagged along to get my chashma fixed. It's the one of its wand is wriggly. So, but then वो काम हुआ नहीं. But then we went to H&M and I bought a very cute blazer. There I saw another jeans sort of a dress. I initially thought that it's like too warm for me and I won't make use of it. But then it's in my eyes and I've just been dreaming about it. I'm just hoping that it's still there and it's not got sold out. But whatever I shopped from H&M, I will share that haul with you guys either in this particular video or in the next video. I don't know. So, but then I want to do skincare right now so that I can head outside. I am doing this one, Dermaco's Skin Renew Peptide Hydrating Toner. My skin needs all the hydration in the world right now. For some reason it's been acting so hormonal and horrible. I know you're not supposed to do that and you should let it air dry, but I don't have the time, alright? And then I am going in with the Deconstructs Clearing Serum. I clearly love this because I've gone through the second bottle as well and I need to purchase another one. This is so good if you want to get rid of your acne marks and things of that sort. It's got alpha arbutin and 5% niacinamide in it. That's why I am doing a little bit of skincare so that there is some content in the video, because what happens is जब मैं बाहर जाती हूँ I get very conscious. पहले it was just me and my husband and it was much easier, and I used to get around doing things, but now I go in with the boys sometimes, like I go in with Ashfaq and Sami or sometimes other people. So then I get really conscious and they are really close, but I still feel a little bit awkward. I don't know why. I'm just getting used to filming with other people apart from my own family. ओके आई एम बैक. अभी तक मैंने आउटफिट डिसाइड नहीं करा है कि मुझे क्या पहनना है, बट हाँ मेकअप मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया कि कैसे करना है. एनीवेज वैसे आज सेकेंड डे ऑफ पीरियड भी है तो मुझे गायनेक के पास जाना भी पड़ेगा. मैं सेकेंड डे ऑफ पीरियड यूजुअली जाती हूँ. PCOD एंड PCOS गर्ल्स विल रिलेट, बट या मुझे आना पड़ेगा अराउंड 7:30 टू गो देर. तो मैं सोच रही थी कि शवाक को कन्विंस करूं कि हम एक मूवी जाएं बिकॉज बहुत मन कर रहा है. देयर इज़ दिस मूवी बीटल जूस बाय जेना ऑर्टेगा एंड मुझे मन कर रहा है कि मैं वहाँ जाऊँ. 4:55 का शो तो है बट आई डोंट नो मैं जा पाऊँगी या नहीं. अगर जाऊँगी तो मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगी. ही इज़ अ सर्जन सो ही माइट हैव केसेस, सो मोस्ट लाइकली हो भी ना पाए, बट वी विल ट्राई. ओके आई एम थिंकिंग बहुत नेचुरल मेकअप करेंगे. सो इसलिए मैं ये ब्लू हेवन का हाइड्रेटिंग स्किन टिंट यूज़ कर रही हूँ. इट्स गॉट SPF एज वेल इन इट एंड SPF मैंने ऑलरेडी स्किन पे लगा लिया है. आई फॉरगॉट टू फिल्म दैट्स माई मिस्टेक, but I have some SPF on my face right now, so that's good. Although अभी 4 बज रहे हैं, I might not need it much, but we won't take a risk with it. This is because of that one dress I am going, but any which ways. Yes, I completely forget that I should apply a primer, you guys. I moisturize so well enough that it doesn't show up, but I do have some really good primers that I should put to use, and I've paid a bomb for them. Okay, so this is a very beautiful skin tint for like such affordable price. I don't know the price of it. It was well below 300 rupees for sure. I'm using the Mars Seal the Deal makeup fixer. Guys, I am going in with the biggest giant fluffy brush possible. This is from Cuffs and Lashes. They have some of the best brushes at affordable prices. So अगर आप खरीदना चाहोगे तो go for this particular brand because they're super soft bristled and they do an amazing job. So I am going in with this particular palette from Swiss Beauty. This is the 24/7 Passport eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with this brown which has very tiny reflex of pink in it. And the only reason I'm doing eyeshadow is to just conceal that little bit of darkness that is going around in my eye, otherwise I wouldn't have applied any eyeshadow. Going into this particular shade right here to just soften it out on the edges. That's it, and then I'll be done. I don't need anything more. Right, ये वाला shade लेके, this particular shade, and I will just add it over here. That's it. The shimmers on this shadow palette are not that great compared to some of their other eyeshadow palettes. They are amazing. इसके जैसे जैसे यूज़ कर रही हूँ, दे आर बिकमिंग हार्ड पैंड, एंड दिस आर नॉट माई मोस्ट फेवरेट. ब्रोज कर लूँगी बिकॉज दैट्स इम्पोर्टेंट. वेरी स्पार्स आईब्रोज. एंड जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो ब्लू हेवन का स्कल्पटन सेट है, और इस सेट को मैं यू नो फास्ट फॉरवर्ड कर दूँगी ताकि बहुत लंबी भी ना हो. बट अगर होती भी है तो क्या है, एक आध बार देखने में कुछ नहीं होता है. बट आई लव रैम्बलिंग. दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ वाइब आई हैव ऑन दिस चैनल. वन थिंग अबाउट दिस आई शेडो पैलेट इज़ दैट इसके सारे टोन्स अगर ब्राउन भी दिख रहे हो ना तो आइज़ पे ये थोड़ा सा पिंकी टोन देंगे ये. सो यू हैव टू कीप दैट इन माइंड. अगेन आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई हैव बीन यूजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ स्विस ब्यूटी, बट देन दिस इज़ अ न्यू लिपस्टिक. आई हैव नेवर यूज्ड इट, सो आई थॉट लेट मी जस्ट try it. This is in the shade 01 Cute Nude. I had heard a lot about it, so let's try this one out. Looks pretty. So far so good. Also adding this a little bit on just the high points of my face for an extra glow. I am all glued out right now. In the outfit, I know there is a lot of silver going on, but I'm wearing my gold jewelry because that suits me a lot. I own this particular watch, but then there's no charge in it and I need to get that sorted. So yeah, now I'm going to be, Ashfaq is here. We just gonna leave in some time. We're waiting on someone, and we might leave after that. This is how I look. I look really put together. So let's go. Okay guys, finally हम मॉल आ गए हैं and 7:30 लिटरली मॉल आए हैं. प्लान था 4:55 आने का. ये मोटू सो गया था.
मोटू नहीं, हाँ मोटू हूँ एक्चुअली.
मैं भी मोटी, तुम भी मोटे. So अभी आए मॉल. मूवी तो नहीं जा रहे, but we are going to pick up his bag in Safari. Inshallah I hope I find that dress again which I have come for, and then we'll see what we'll do. We have to go to the gynac after this, inshallah, and that's it. So thank God I at least filmed a get ready with me, so you will have some content. But I will yeah, and all the makeup came off till you took me out. The makeup is out.
Oh, that's why you got irritated at that time.
Yeah, because it took 1 hour to get ready, and then I wanted to go to the movie. 144 rupees ticket, bro. Beetlejuice.
अच्छा है Beetlejuice है.
I heard it's good because उसका ये अच्छा है, क्या बोलो, the actress I like her. Wednesday की actress. It's like comedy and horror, like Halloween type movie, but not too like Halloween, but it's funny, it seems. So I was like, yeah, it's good, let's go. 145 rupees, we'll book ticket, go sit and come.
But ऐसा मजा था.
You wanted to sleep.
I had to sleep.
Okay, bye.
Okay, I can't see that jacket.
Guys, the bag is secured. Finally got it. Now we are having food, like snackos, not food. This is the mall. We are in the food. Oh, by the way, Ashwa got his safari bag prepared as well. So happy.
ऐसे फाड़ते हैं 90 डिग्री एंगल पे खोलते हैं ऐसे और एक खुल चुका है अभी पहले ये डालते होंगे आई थिंक सो तो पूरा पेरी पेरी अंदर डाल सकते हैं देन क्रिंज मत समझो ये दो पेट में जाएंगे
You're giving me content and I'll become famous because of you.
प्रॉब्लम ये है कि फट नहीं जाना चाहिए
जिंदगी की किस्मत को हिलाते हुए.
नहीं इतना हिलाने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी एक्चुअली एंड प्रो आ चुके हैं क्या करेंगे पता नहीं ये फोल्ड कर रहे हैं ये देखिए ये हैंडमेड क्या कहते हैं इसे हैंडमेड फ्रेंच फ्राइज होल्डर और ये मैकडी का फ्रेंच फ्राइज होल्डर क्लोज है ना कलर देखिए कैसे चेंज हो चुका है टेस्ट वैसे ही अच्छा है क्या बोल रहे थे वो पसपाला का और अब हम घर वापस आ गए हैं और आके हम लोग ये क्लोथिंग स्टैंड बना रहे हैं ये मीट आप इनको जानते ही होंगे वो वीडियो से फेमस डॉक्टर समीउल्लाह जिनके बाल नीचे आ जाते हैं सिर के और दिस इज द पैंडा जिनको आप जानते ही होंगे और ये लकड़ी पे लकड़ी डंडे पे डंडा चुभाते जा रहे हैं आई थिंक इससे लंबा नहीं हो सकता स्टैंड समी भाई देखो फिर से उनके बाल देखो आप वो दो जो जुल्फे आ रहे हैं ना वो उसके पीछे आंटी उनकी लाइन लग जाती है उसके पीछे देखो अभी देखो समी यहाँ पे देखो आप यहाँ पे झंडा गाड़ दिए तो खड़े हो गए तुम ओके ये देखिए द बिग फैट एस ओके हाय करो
हम पूरा
अब बनाते हैं पूरा
फिनिश करके आपको
चलिए शुरू करते हैं
Alright you guys, I will end the video over here. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.